Hi, my name is Thomas Jørgensen. I'm working as Sales Development Manager by Klüber Lubrication in Munich. I've been working since 2007 in the lubricant industry with focus on OEM, Tier 1 and aftermarket business. I would like to present the Gear Oil Booster today, the so-called lifetime extended product for your gear oil in your gearbox. After typically 5 years plus, you need to exchange the gear oil in your gearbox, which is an intensively high service cost and also a long downtime cost for your turbine. This we can avoid and extend the lifetime of the oil with 50%, adding the Gear Oil Booster direct into the used gear oil. In that way we can offer a sustainable and environmental solution. Klüber Lubrication has designed a Gear Oil Booster, and with that Gear Oil Booster you have a lifetime extension product which is fully harmonized with our well-known gear oil for the wind industry, Klüber Synd Gem 4 320N. And with that booster here we can ensure the concentration of all relevant additives and viscosity getting up to almost the same level as a new oil. You need to add 5 to 10% into your gearbox, which takes a few minutes, and you can bring your turbine into operation immediately afterwards. You save operation downtime, and you save also the environment and ensure a sustainable operation of the wind turbine.